Linux is a versatile operating system loved by developers, students, or just someone who loves to tinker. It also helps you download those apps that aren't generally available on your Chromebook's Play Store. This is Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to download Linux apps on Chromebook. There are two ways to download Linux apps on Chromebook. The first is by downloading the Debian file of the app, double-clicking it and installing it from there. Otherwise, head to terminal and type in some commands and you are good to go. We'll take Audacity as an example. When your terminal is open, type sudo space apt get space install and Audacity. Press enter, press Y and enter. Let the process finish. Once it is finished, you can close terminal, head to launcher again, head to Linux apps and you can find Audacity from there. Click on it. Click on don't show this again, let's start up. Click on OK, and this is how you will download Linux apps on Chromebook. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.